Once you log into Classlink, you need to locate the Math Nation icon. It's the blue icon with the white flag that says Math Nation. When you log in, the first thing you'll see is the Welcome to Algebra Nation video. This video does a good job of introducing you to the website and all the great things it has to offer. Remember, next year you're going to be using Algebra Nation as your textbook. One of the great features of Algebra Nation is how customizable the whole website really is. If you scroll down on the main page, you can see there's some icons with people's heads inside of them. These are the different people that will be doing the videos. So you actually have a choice of who you want to learn from. So there is Amy, who's kind of got that Southern charm. Ashley has really messy handwriting and messes up a lot. Be cautious with Ashley. Darnell is my favorite. He's says some jokes and he's really enjoyable to listen to and goes at a really reasonable pace. Jose is really great if you learn best in Spanish. Kiana is super funny. She's kind of like on Darnell's pace where she goes a little bit slower. She's also very enjoyable to listen to. And Zach is very fast-paced and high energy. So if you want to watch the videos a little bit quicker, he's the guy to watch. Some of the other great features of Algebra Nation is the Algebra 1 wall. This is where you can log in and ask different questions and earn points for answering other people's questions. So you could see someone posted, check my math work, and you can respond and earn different points. There is a leadership board. If I scroll up, click on the leadership board, you can see the people that have the most points. It looks like Tampa has a lot of people doing some great stuff on Algebra Nation. They give away different prizes. I know they give away like iPads and computers and things like that. And once you start taking your assessment, this is where all of your tests will be located, so you can keep track of how well you're doing on your Algebra Nation topics. To locate the readiness assessment, you need to scroll back up to the top and go to the blue drop-down menu. You can see there's a lot of different courses Algebra Nation offers. They have Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, SAT Prep, and a bunch of middle school math courses that you no longer have to take. When you click on the on-ramp to pre-algebra, it'll take you to a screen that says, welcome, we just need to ask you a few questions before we get started. Make sure you click on the let's go and not the no thanks. The let's go icon will bring you to some math questions. Try to answer these to the best of your ability. Algebra Nation is going to determine what areas you need some extra practice with before you start taking Algebra 1 in the fall. So try to do your best. If you need to take a little break, you can click Save and Exit and come back at a later time to finish up your assessment. After you complete the on-ramp tool questions, it's going to tell you how well you are doing in each of the 5 domains needed to master before taking Algebra 1. There is a bar up at the top that shows you how many of the domains you've completed. I've completed Domain 1, Domain 2, and I am partway through Domain 3. If I scroll down, this blue line or blue arrow shows you all of the skills you've already mastered. And if I click on the other domains, you can see all of the skills I've already mastered. This blue circle shows me that I am currently at solving inequalities, addition, and subtraction. And if I scroll up, you can see all of the different things I still need to master before I am ready to be successful in Algebra 1. In this blue box, it says up next, solving inequalities, addition, and subtraction. This is where Algebra Nation creates a customized lesson portfolio for you. Based on your questions that you answered, they've come up with a lesson plan to help prepare you for Algebra 1. You could choose between Chelsea or Kiana, and remember you can always change them at any point. I'm going to choose Kiana because I know more about her than Chelsea. When you click on the Let's Go, it brings you to your customized lesson. For this lesson, I'm focusing on solving inequalities, And it also has a study guide you can click and print out to follow along with the instructor. This is very similar to one of the workbooks you'll be getting next year. Next year, you'll have 2 workbooks for your math class. The first workbook is to help you follow along with the videos. You will fill it out as you watch the videos to take notes. The second workbook is where you'll get your extra practice. If I go back to the video, you can see they're fairly short. It's only 5 minutes.
Alright, what's up, party people? It's Kiana here. I promise not to sneeze in this video because we are going to get through it, right? We're going to solve these inequalities using addition and subtraction.
After each video, there are practice questions to make sure you're understanding what you're learning. These practice questions are very similar to the types of practice questions you'll be experiencing once you're taking Algebra 1 in high school. I highly suggest completing all 5 domains over the summer so that you are ready and well prepared for Algebra 1 in high school. The more familiar you feel with Algebra Nation and all of the different people that are on this platform, the stronger you are going to be doing next year in Algebra 1. Algebra Nation is a fantastic tool to use. It's not only great for Algebra 1, but for geometry and Algebra 2. It could even help you prepare for your SATs. Make sure you watch the videos, you complete the practice, and you check your understanding. Remember, in order to get your high school diploma, you must pass your Algebra 1 EOC next year. I am always here to help. I'm just an email away, even if you're not at Bella Lago anymore.